Hey, are you sending proposals? Well, you should probably stop and listen up. What I want to do is show you a 3-page document that we've used that has successfully closed over $522,000 worth of consulting in just 5 months. That's 6 figures a month from a 3-page document that I didn't edit, I didn't change, I didn't have to painstakingly put together. I was able to just do it once, do it well, and send it off. And over again, it was the catalyst for some of the biggest clients that we've converted. Now, let me show you how I can give you exactly that document in literally 3 hours, help you customize it, help you build it, and show you the strategy around it so you can generate more consulting clients for your business. Check this out. On the 5th of June, we are doing a profitable proposal advantage workshop. And I'm going to share with you not only the 3-page document that you need, the 1 proposal you need, but I'm going to share with you the offer invitation template, the 90-day performance plan, and the tactical timeline advantage. We're going to literally build out step by step the 1 proposal you'll ever need to convert more consulting clients more often with less pain. Because let's be honest, no one really wants a proposal and no one really likes putting together a proposal. So join me for the Profitable Proposal Advantage Workshop and let me help you send more proposals that make you more money. See you there.